Hey family, welcome back. So I am going to show you guys how I process my tomatoes that I harvest from my garden, okay? So right now I'm just picking out my habanero peppers and the cucumber that I harvested with the tomatoes. It's a whole lot of tomatoes, a whole lot to the whole basket. So I decided to process them in two different um, batches, okay? So what I did, um, I usually pick my tomatoes out and then I cut them in the middle, put a line through. This way, when I pour the hot water, it will be easier to get the skin off. So that's what I'm doing right now, okay? Cutting them in the middle and then I'm putting a line through each of the halves so that way the hot water can help me out. So, like I said, it was a lot of tomatoes, a whole lot of tomatoes. I decided to process them in two different batches, and then I even saved some that I was able to give to my neighbor. So I poured the hot water off camera because it was hot and the tomato was so much in the bowl. I didn't want no accidents, so I did that off camera. And then I waited for it to cool down. Usually, if you want, you can use ice to cool it down faster, but I had other things to do, so I just let it cool down on its own. So now, as you can see, I'm taking the skin off. Usually, people will save the skin to make tomato powders, but I didn't do that. I'm throwing mine away because I have too much going on. I just don't have time for that right now. So I'm taking the skin off and I'm throwing them. So as you can see, it's so easy to peel once you pour the hot water on top of it, okay? And let it sit for like, I want to say a minute or two. Then you can just go through and just the skin will come right off. So this again is the first batch that I'm processing. As by the time I got done peeling the skin, I started cutting. So I could use a cutting board, but I decided to use a deeper plate because the juice of the tomato will just drain out and go everywhere on the table. So I use a deeper plate which helps capture the tomato and the tomato juice. As you can see, it has a lot of water. I didn't want the water to go to waste, even though, I don't want too much water in my tomato, but I also want the tomato water to be in there. So I just go ahead and dice them. You can dice them any way that you like. I tend to dice mine a little bit smaller, which will make it cook a little bit faster. So that's what I'm doing. After I'm done dicing them, I use my freezer bags, okay? Give it a good mix because you want everything to mix and then bag them, okay? So this is my first batch I'm bagging right now. Um, Try not to overfill it, okay? Because if you do, you're gonna have accidents in your freezer. So try not to overfill it. So I got done with the first batch and then I processed the second batch off camera, but I'll show you guys just what I did. But I had a lot of yellow tomatoes in the first batch and then a lot of red tomatoes in the first batch. Well, a lot of yellow tomatoes in the second batch and a lot of red tomatoes in the first batch. So what I did, I went back and I dumped the first batch into the second batch, give it a good mix. Look at the color because I want variety when I'm cooking. I don't want to just cook with red and just cook with yellow. I want both. So I went back and I mixed everything. So as you can see, now I have a variety of beautiful colors. Again, remember, don't overstuff it, okay? Because liquid, when it freezes, it expands. The bags will literally burst open and you have a mess in your freezer. Trust me, I'm telling you this from experience, okay? I learned this the hard way. So don't overfill. Just a little bit over halfway, okay? So I'm doing my last bag here, but then I know that I have too much water. So what I do is I usually get a strainer. This time I actually grabbed a small strainer because that it wasn't too much water, just enough for me to not want to put it in the freezer. So I just went ahead and I drained. drained until I'm left with just enough water. Okay, and then I pour it back into my bag. I close the bags. So now after I closed everything, I'm going to take them into my sink and wash them, okay? Because I want clean bags to go in my freezer. So now they're washed. Look at that color. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Homegrown tomatoes. Homegrown tomatoes. I'm going to be having that all winter long. Bye. See you on the next one. Please like and subscribe, okay? Thank you. Bye.